Good morning, friends. Previous lecture we were discuss about general character of protozoa, but now today I am going to discuss about the nutrition of protozoa. Okay. Now, what is nutrition? Nutrition, it means that it includes all. These are the 4 stages, that is food, ingestion, digestion and egestion. All these are the stages of nutrition. Okay. So first of all, I just tell you example of that protozoa. Example of protozoa, that is the paramecium. Okay. So this paramecium fits in holozoic manner. Okay. So paramecium fits in holozoic manner. So what is holozoic manner? Holozoic manner म्हणजे काय? It's behavior like animals. Okay. So it means that they are heterotrophic. Heterotrophic nutritions. It means that they totally depends on the another organisms. Okay. The process of nutrition include first, that is food. Now we are discuss about this food. Food of the paramecium what type of the food takes place in paramecium? Paramecium is omnivorous. Paramecium is omnivorous. Now question arise here, what is omnivorous? Omnivorous का मतलब क्या होता है? Omnivorous, it means that they eat plant as well as animal flesh also. Okay, जो प्लांट भी खाता है और एनिमल फ्लेश भी खाता है, उसको हम कहते हैं ओमनीओरस. सो दिस पैरामेशियम इज ओमनीओरस एनिमल एंड दे कैन फीड, first they can feed algae, then bacteria. But bacteria, what type of bacteria? Those bacteria are float on surface of water that lives in it. Okay. And some bits of animals as well as plant also. Animal as well as plant. These are the type of food in paramecium. Okay. Then we see about the ingestions. Look at here. Second one is that the ingestion. Ingestion. What is ingestion actually? Ingestion, it means that intake of food inside the body. So ingestion takes place by or takes place through the cytostome. Look at here. This one is a cytostome. Ingestion of food, and of course what type of food? Algae, bacteria or bits of animal or plant which are present in the water. Okay. So ingestion takes place by the cytostome. Then how it is takes place? By the ciliary movement of or cilia present on this buccal cavity. Look at this. This one is a buccal cavity. So cilia, this one is a cilia. And what is cilia? Cilia are the locomotory organs. And with the help of this cilia, the water can enter into this buccal cavity, and of course water as well as some of the bits of animal as well as plant, some food particles also takes place through this water and enter through the cyclostome. Then these food particles enter cyclostome towards the cytopharynx. Look at here. This one is the cytopharynx, and this cytopharynx is the bottom cytopharynx present on the bottom of cytostome. Bottom of cytostome. Look at here. This one is a cytopharynx. इसका मतलब कि अंदर फूड आ जाता है, और वो फूड किसके सहारे अंदर आता है? साइटोस्टोम. एंड एट द बॉटम ऑफ द साइटोस्टोम, साइटोस्टोम के नीचे क्या रहता है? साइटोफैरिंक्स. और साइटोफैरिंक्स में वो सारा फूड यहाँ पे जमा हो जाता है. It means that you can say that the food particles collect on the bottom of cytostome. Then this food particle pinch off. कहाँ पे जाता है वो? Into the posterior region of this paramecium. Then now look at here, this one is the food particles. if these food particles are covered with a membrane of water, वाटर का अगर उस पर ऊपर मेम्ब्रेन रहेगा तो दैट फूड पार्टिकल इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ फूड वैक्यूल्स. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? फूड वैक्यूल्स. ओके, सो दिस फूड वैक्यूल्स मूव फ्रॉम whole body part of this paramecium. Then how can it take place? Through the slow streaming movement of the endoplasm. In the last period, I was discuss about this endoplasm. Okay, so what is endoplasm? Endoplasm is the cytoplasm inside the parameciums. Okay, through this cytoplasm, it means that you can say here endoplasm. So through this endoplasm, these food particles move slowly, of course, slowly from one place to another. First of all, this food particle move posteriorly. It means that posterior side of this paramecium. Move posteriorly, then aborally, and then move anterior sides. Okay, slow by slow motion with the help of streaming movement of endoplasm. And this streaming movement of endoplasm is called as a cyclosis. What is cyclosis? Cyclosis is the movement of endoplasm. ये जो एंडोप्लाज्म है यहाँ पे, वो एंडोप्लाज्म की मूवमेंट जो रहती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? साइक्लोसिस कहते हैं. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस साइक्लोसिस, दिस फूड पार्टिकल्स मूव whole body part of this parameciums. Okay, now through this journey of food vacuoles, through this journey digestion as well as assimilations occur inside the body of parameciums. So how can digestion takes place? That is the third process. Okay, digestion. So how can this digestion takes place inside the paramecium? In this paramecium, food vacuoles, of course, that food vacuoles, inside the food vacuoles present food particles. So lysosome which is present inside the paramecium, इस paramecium के अंदर lysosome भी रहता है. What is lysosome? Lysosome is a cell organelles. एक सेल का organelles जो है वो है lysosome. और वो lysosomes में क्या रहते हैं? Many enzymes. And what is the function of enzyme? What is enzyme? Enzyme का मतलब क्या होता है कि that is the biological catalyst. What is catalyst? Catalyst activate the speed of reactions. And you know that what type of the reactions occur inside our body? Different type of the metabolic activity occur in our body. Just like here also, कि certain enzymes that secrete by the lysosome. Lysosome क्या करता है? एंजाइम secrete करता है. और उसमें कौन कौन से एंजाइम रहते हैं? Like proteases. Look at here, proteases. Proteases क्या करता होगा? प्रोटीन को डाइजेस्ट करता होगा. Then second one is that the lipases. Lipases क्या करता होगा? लिपिड को डाइजेस्ट करता. Then third one is that the carbohydrates. ओके, सो ये कार्बोहाइड्रेट क्या करता है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट को डाइजेस्ट करता है. इन दिस वे, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एंजाइम, food can digest inside the body. Of course, whole this digestion and assimilation takes place inside the endoplasm. Okay, it means that assimilations also occur inside the cytoplasm. In this way, digestion process complete here. Okay, now last one is that the egestion. Egestion का मतलब क्या होता है? Look at here. Egestion. तो egestion कैसा होता है? Look at here. This food vacuoles becomes smaller and smaller. Gradually it becomes smaller and smaller due to this journey. इस जर्नी के थ्रू ये फूड वैक्यूल छोटा छोटा होता जाता है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे डाइजेशन और एसिमिलेशन दोनों हो जाते हैं. और बचा क्या रहता है? दैट इज़ द रेसिडुअल मैटर, और इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ वेस्ट मटेरियल. जो कुछ बचता है, ऑफ कोर्स दैट वेस्ट मटेरियल रिमूव आउट ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ पैरामेशियम. इस पैरामेशियम के बॉडी के बाहर जो वेस्ट मटेरियल जो भी डाइजेस्ट होता है वो किसके अंदर होता है, इस पैरामीशियम के अंदर हो जाएगा, इनसाइड द साइटोप्लाज्म. बट दोज अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड जो नहीं पचता, दैट इज द अनडाइजेस्टेड मैटर और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ रेसिडुअल मैटर. एंड दीज रेसिडुअल मैटर remove or eliminate from the this paramecium body through the cytophages. Okay, it means that through this cytophage residual remove out of or from the body of the paramecium. In this way, here food ingestion, how can intake the food, then digestion and then egestion, whole this process include in nutrition. Okay, do you understand? Now our nutrition topic complete here. Thank you so much.